Hello and welcome to my channel for Tech Pulse. Today with the latest AirPods Pro 2. This market also offers AirPods Pro 4 and possibly AirPods Pro Max. We will take a look at it shortly. Why am I making this video today? There are many questions. Nowadays on Amazon, there are bestsellers like the AirPods Pro 2, which are currently selling for $85. But the latest, Apple AirPods Pro 2, are currently the overall pick. So what to buy if you need a new headset, new headphones, or new AirPods, like the Pro variant, the Max variant, regular old, AirPods second generation, AirPods 2. So what are we going to do? We'll clarify that today. But before we start with the AirPods, let's take a quick look at one thing I saw at an Apple event. You don't want to miss that. WWDC 2024 has indeed done skydiving. Let's take a quick look. It's amazing. It's showtime. What an absolutely, truly, incredibly fantastic helmet, dude. Okay, enough of the coolness factor from WWDC 2024. Let's get back to the AirPods. AirPods. Here are the highly anticipated brand new AirPods Pro 4. Yes, iconic supersonic. Yes, also funny words. Hello, 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 hello. You can already see that they have a lot of openings, the function of which is not entirely defined. Active noise cancellation. Attention, be careful. Not all models have this, but it is a significant new feature. This has not been available in the regular AirPods until now. ARD text on behalf of Funk. Adaptive audio. Okay, no. Hello, hello. Transparency mode. Yes, anyone who knows active noise canceling headphones is familiar with transparency mode. Hello, wagon. Please is the flow of your work, homie. Then I'm be a Justinus for a long time. Yes, USB-C charging has become mandatory. Due to the new European directive, we are essentially saying goodbye to the old lightning mode. And there we can already see a bit of how many various openings the brand new AirPods Pro 4 have. And these are not just speaker openings, they are microphone openings that are very important for active noise canceling.
Yes, very nice KSW manner, so Apple indeed. Let's take a quick look at how this compares. We have Apple AirPods 4 without noise cancelling. And if you scroll down a bit, you can also see the new H chip. Well, that's awesome. As a user, I think it's really great, and I'm sure you feel the same way. But here you can see that active noise cancellation is really only available starting from the AirPods 4. The regular AirPods 4 do not have it, and the AirPods 2, so the old generation, don't have that at all. This means you really have to go for the very expensive model for $180 to actually have an effect. That goes beyond personal spatial audio. Well, whether that's that cool, whether it's worth $100 is the question. $100 is not the case, but it is $50. And we see that the sensors are now new. They are now different. Otherwise, we are moving in a very similar range. Active noise cancellation. The second generation, at least, has wireless charging, which is nice. They also have Find My Device, which is new as well. And with the AirPods 4, we have water resistance, which is not present in the older devices. And that's it for the major differences. Yes, voice isolation, personalized volume. That's not really much without active noise cancellation. Nothing particularly interesting. Microphones? Yes, they have even more microphones. which I think is great. The controls, there were new options. But at the end of the day, hey, they are headphones, right? Well, that was it. For the comparison of AirPods 4 versus AirPods 2nd, so in the end, there are two things. Either you buy the old AirPods 2, as most people do these days, or you buy the AirPods 4 with ANC, active noise cancellation. But if they are really good, what about the AirPods Pro 2? These are not the second generation, but rather the second generation of the AirPods Pro, and they are relatively new. Let's take a quick look at what the AirPods Pro can do now. We are really excited to announce that this fall, AirPods Pro will have a clinical-grade over-the-counter hearing aid feature. That's actually really pretty cool. There haven't been any headphones like that before. We're adding this groundbreaking capability to help more than 1 billion people living with mild to moderate hearing loss, to give you insight into your hearing health. We're introducing a clinically validated hearing test with your AirPods Pro and iPhone. Yes. So theoretically, you can save yourself a trip to the ear doctor now. Bad news for the doctors. A simple 5-minute check you can take from the comfort of your own home. All you need to do is tap the screen when you hear a series of tones at different volumes and frequencies. After you take a hearing test, your AirPods Pro are transformed into a personalized hearing aid, boosting the specific sounds you need in real time, such as parts of speech or elements within your environment. So for everyone who has hearing aids, this is now basically a hearing aid. Wow. 1 in 3 people are regularly exposed to environmental noise levels that could impact their hearing. To help our users minimize their exposure, we're adding hearing protection to AirPods Pro. Hearing protection can help you across a variety of loud environments. Yeah. This is very interesting now because it's not just about having impaired hearing abilities, but it's about not even reaching the point of having impaired hearing abilities. So, Apple AirPods Pro 2 protect you from hearing damage. That's quite big. Whether that's commuting, mowing the lawn, or when you're headed to that next event, preserving the entire dynamic range of what you're listening to. We are so excited for these updates. Coming to AirPods Pro 2 with active hearing protection, a clinical-grade hearing test, and an easy-to-use professional-grade hearing aid. These features will be available in a software update coming to AirPods Pro 2 and iOS 18 to help make hearing health significantly more approachable for so many. Yeah, and the cooler is they might show that now, and actually, no, they are not showing it anymore. But for example, when you are at a concert or playing guitar with friends in the garage, these AirPods Pro 2 adjust the volume down with active noise cancelling, allowing you to protect your hearing. And if we briefly go back to look at the AirPods Pro 2, they are of course a bit more expensive than the AirPods 4, but if we consider that, they have much stronger active noise cancellation, probably because they need to support this hearing aid functionality, which requires more power for active noise cancellation. They really need to be able to overpower very loud environments. Therefore, there is very strong active noise cancellation here, and the rest we already know from the AirPods 4. And here we have these hearing test aids touch control, which is now a bit, fancy. You have charging here. Again, you also have USB-C. You have water resistance here. And you also have all the standards like Siri. And here is the big difference in terms of active noise cancellation, which is now, of course, a significant difference. And maybe for people who find it a bit more exciting. So, AirPods Pro basically have these small silicone tips. This means that they do not just sit in the ear canal, but actually seal the ear canal with these silicone pads, similar to what is known from other devices by different manufacturers. And as a result, they simply have much better performance. Just by whether they actually used response techniques to improve this active noise cancellation. Personally, if money were no object, I would definitely buy the AirPods Pro 2 because the noise cancellation feature has a medical benefit. That's really cool, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone. Otherwise, I would rather go for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. For me personally, AirPods without active noise cancellation no longer makes sense. But there are people who don't care about that. They don't want active noise cancellation. Hey, one could actually also go for the AirPods of the second generation and buy those absolutely no problem. I hope you enjoyed the video here. And I hope you leave a like. Hey, subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to answer them. All the best, and hey, stay smart.